how to download and install Among Us on PC or laptop. So if you want to download and install Among Us on PC or laptop, then the first thing you need to do is open up your store, Microsoft Store. And then here you will have the search bar on the upper side. Tap on the search bar and then you can search for Among Us. Once you've searched, here you will have the game. So to download and install the game, you need to buy that game. So here you will have the application. Tap on the application and then you can get the application from here. You will have that application here, but you can also play the game with your PC Game Pass, and this is one option. You can simply go back or remove that, and then if you have Steam, then you can open up your Steam account. Simply search for Steam on your browser and then go for Steam, which is on the first search, and make sure to log into your account. Go for login, which is on the upper right, or you can also go with your application. If you have your application, Steam application, then you can open up your Steam. And once you've opened, now here on the upper right side, you will have search icon. Tap on the search and search for Among Us. And here you will have Among Us application or the game. So if you buy from Steam, then you will have some kind of discount, or it will be a lot cheaper on Steam than on Microsoft Store. So you can simply download and install it from here or from the Microsoft Store. So that's it. That's how you can download and install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.